coke. Got a girl doing coke. We break up and we smoke, but she.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Juju, and I'm back with another video. And I got a special guest, DJ. Say, my name is DJ. Yeah, we got on matching pajamas. Hey, check us out. I got on the cute. He got on his socks. I got on some little cute house shoes. So yeah, so today we gonna be making some Halloween brownies or whatever. I should have got some brownies and I should have got some cookies, but we gonna do what it do. Give me this. So we gonna be doing this today. The graveyard brownie kit. So we're gonna get right into it, baby. We're gonna get right into it. Period. Yeah. Okay. This red. This must be. That's like the. We gonna use this. All right. That's for the graveyard. This the decoration. These the bones. And this is the brownie mix. Well, oh my God. What is you crying for? No. Is you serious right now? He's a crybaby. Don't do nothing but cry. So I got a mixing bowl right here. I'm gonna use this. Hell, you wanna pour this up in there? Or you gonna be a crybaby? Here. Wait. DJ, be quiet. Here, pour this up in here. Here, cry baby. Y'all can't even see what I'm doing. But I'm probably gonna end up doing this video by myself because he always being a fucking crybaby. It never fails. Like, what is you even doing all that for? So, boom. I got the brownie mix up in here. Now it says, hey! For real. So it says we need a half a cup of water, and we need half a cup of vegetable oil, and what else we need? We need 2 eggs. So, okay, this is the half a cup right here. I got some water, and I'm gonna get the eggs. I'm gonna get the bottle of water, and then I'm gonna get the eggs. DJ, I'm gonna let you I'm gonna let you mix. You put the water, you're gonna pour the water up in there. Hold on. Here, pour this. Don't spill it. Wait, let me get you on camera. Wait, hold it. Hold it. Pour it. Big boy. Okay? And now we gotta hold on. You need to stir it up. Wait. I'm gonna use a spoon. Just stir it up. Let me help you. See, like that. Well, they can't even. Y'all cannot see us. I think I need to do it like this so y'all can see. Yeah, he mad. He crying because I took his iPad. Y'all not gonna see my face, but it's okay. Now, I use the brown eggs, so, and I gotta get the vegetable oil, which the vegetable oil is down here. Kids is so irritating. Like, you really just did all that for what? It's a half cup vegetable oil. So you're gonna pour this vegetable oil up in there. Wait, let me pour it in here first. Wait.
Okay.
Here, pour it.
Okay.
Wait, you see you on picture here? Pour it. Big boy. Okay, give me this. Cause this oil. So we're gonna store it up. Here, stir it. Like this. I'm trying to see if I should crack the eggs in a bowl first. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna crack the eggs in a bowl first, and then I'm gonna pour it up in there. I'm gonna mix it together. Mix it up, mix it up. Keep mixing. Let me see. Like this. You better get it all up in there. Ugh, that looks so nice. Yeah, big boy. That smells good too. Mix it up. Y'all, so last year for Christmas, I got me and him some matching. I got us some matching pajamas or whatever. And I was trying to do YouTube. I was trying to do a YouTube video with him, but he did not act right. So, and I ended up we was supposed to make some gingerbread houses together, but I ended up doing the video, but I ended up not posting it because I messed the whole gingerbread house up. But I still should have posted it though. It wasn't like, I don't know. It was okay, but so I got the 2 eggs. 2 eggs. You must have got tired of mixing that up. Yeah, egg. I gotta mix it up so I can pour it up in there. Y'all, I was supposed to go to the store and get like a mixing bowl and a whisk, so I could be able to mix all that stuff up. But we took a nap, so it was just over. Why did you pass this? Excuse you, for real. We're gonna pour that up now. But this mixing bowl will work. It don't really matter. I mean, I can use a fork or a spoon. So I'm not really tricky. But yeah. Let me see. Let me help you.
No.
But, yeah. Because I told you I was going to end up doing this. So you don't want to help me?
No.
Wait, let me mix it up for you. Hey, we not finna be doing none of that. You see it? Yeah, and then it say I need some what spray is that I need? Oh, some cooking spray, which I don't have. So I'm probably just gonna use some butter. Hold on, we gotta mix it all in. Wait. Stop. You doing a lot. Relax. So, mix it up. Y'all, this how it look now. It smells so good. Them are the bones. So you're gonna be able to decorate. Stop! Go throw that in the garbage. You're gonna be able to decorate your own brownie. It say, yeah, the brownie mix, cookie bones, red icing, and the graveyard cutter. Which I don't know how in the hell I'm supposed to do this. How am I supposed to, I don't know. I don't even know.
This.
Yep. Okay, it's all mixed up. Ooh, Oh, my hand hurts. Let me call Anaya on your iPad.
No.
Yeah, let me call her real quick. Oh, she declined your call, DJ. Let me see.
No.
Oh, she ain't answering.
Oh.
Stop. We're gonna set this right there. You can mix it up. Mix it on up. I'm gonna see what else we got here. It's a preheat oven to 350. Okay. I don't have no I don't have cookie sheets. I don't have nothing. So I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, mix brownie mix, water. Stop! See? Look, stop. It's a mixed brownie mix, water, oil, and eggs in a medium bowl until well blended. Spread batter evenly into a large pan. Oh, so I probably can use this. So DJ, you're gonna have to move because go sit over there with your iPad. Here, go. Cause you don't want to be in the video anyway. And I knew. So you want to do the video?
No, it'll be over.
What? So you hold on. Let me get this pen.
No.
So should I use some butter? Butter.
This?
Butter.
This?
You want to get up here?
No.
Move your feet. Hold on, let me get some butter. Because I don't have no cookie spray, which I should have got that yesterday. But this butter should work. We're just gonna use this and we're gonna thug it out. This should work though. Which I need to, that's why when I go to the grocery store, I need to make sure I get that because I actually do be needing it. But I just be thugging it out with the butter, so.
Juju.
DJ. Okay. Now this should be good. Just do like that. And then we're gonna pour that. DJ. Don't be over there doing the light for real. Okay. Move your Okay. Spread batter evenly into a large pan. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Let's scoot it over here. You wanna pour it?
No, not that.
Okay, wait.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
You actually need all this. Pour it.
Is it?
You gotta get all that.
Good.
Huh? Get all that. You wanna taste it?
No.
Y'all, if I ask him something, stop.
Mm.
Stop.
Mm.
If I ask him something, he gonna always say no. But I'm working on trying to get him to say yes, because his favorite word is no. That's all he says. No. He getting his sentences out more, which is good. I just have to start on my off day. Stop. This is really my first off day. Cause my other off days he wasn't here, so now I can finally do something with him. And then I can start doing his stop. I can finally start doing his I bought him some learning stuff for his birthday. Like some little learning books and stuff. Wait. I think this pen was a little too big. Stop. No, you don't need that yet. We don't need this yet. We're gonna do this at the end when the brownies is done. But so DJ, I'm talking. Stop. You is so rude. So y'all, I had a ring light, right? But my cousin broke it. Thanks to her. Now I done went to buy me this. I bought me this. I bought this yesterday. And I feel like, I don't know. I need to buy me another ring light, because if I had a ring light, y'all would be able to see everything. So y'all can't really see how I want y'all to see. This is how I gotta be. I gotta be like this. So this should be good. Stop. You is so hard. Stop. You is so fucking hard-headed. People always be like, post DJ on your channel. And I just be like, I don't even know how that's gonna go, because he is just so extra. Like, for real. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm finna try to start recording more on my free time, because it's really hard. Like, it's really hard trying to be consistent, for real. Like, it's so hard trying to be consistent. Like, all I do is work. So then when it comes to my off days, I be tired as hell. So, but I'm gonna start recording videos, and I want to start doing mukbangs too. But it's just like, I don't want to just sit and record myself eat and not talk about nothing. So y'all comment down below stuff I can talk about when I do my mukbangs or whatever. And yeah, I want to go out to seafood boil. And then I've been seeing, like, on TikTok, I've been seeing a lot of people on TikTok do the cookie crumble review. I want to try them cookies, but I'm gonna have to wait till I go to back to Chicago, so I can try them. So this should be good. Well, I hope, but it's just not. So this is how it look, y'all. I'm gonna put this. So this is how it's looking. So y'all, I'm gonna let this cook in the oven. Then me and DJ gonna come back, and then we gonna cut out our graveyards. Cause this is the graveyard with the red icing, which is supposed to be for the blood. And then we gonna put the bones. We're gonna put the bones. So I'm gonna let DJ decorate his, and I'm gonna decorate mine. But they say they say this is supposed to make like 13 brownies. But who knows? We'll see. But I was trying to get it to like even out a little bit. Like, y'all see it. So yeah, I'm gonna pop this right in the oven. And then I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm done. So stay tuned. The pan not really hot no more, but I was showing y'all in the last clip This is how they look. But it was telling me to, I don't know if it's burnt under here. I hope it's not. But I think I should just leave it in the pan. And then I'm just going to start cutting them out. Hope y'all can see. Y'all, it look a mess. But y'all still can't see my face, but it's okay. So we're just going to do like this. Oh.
Ooh. I know.
I think. I don't know.
Mama.
Go. Go pee. Go. You know how to use the bathroom. Go. Open the door. Hold on. Wait a minute. 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 Yeah. Okay, now. DJ Night. I'm going to let DJ do his and I'm going to do mine. Oh, I think they coming out right, y'all. Let me taste it. I should have got me some chocolate to put inside of it. Well, I think these gonna be good. I think these gonna be good. I hope it's not burnt at the bottom. I only left it in there for 10 minutes. I ain't leaving it in there longer than 10 minutes. So, I hope they come out right. Because that's going to be bumped to the up. So, I got 4 so far. Then I'm going to let DJ do his. DJ! Y'all, this little boy be calling me Juju like he know me. Like, you do not know me, little boy. You only been here for... Wait, let me fix this. Wait, it looks tilted. Yeah, I cannot believe... honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. I cannot believe I'm on this camera looking like this. Like, oh, Lord Jesus. But this real, raw, and uncut, baby. Like, real raw footage like this. And is you done? No. So why'd you call my name? Yeah, I'm really surprised. Yeah. I'm trying to see. So, I think I'm gonna have to use a fork. I'm gonna let DJ do his. They look good though. Let me show y'all. Yeah. Don't they look good? Like, they look decent. But y'all, anyway, like I was saying before my camera shut off, my friend's coming to visit me in about 2 weeks, so I might vlog that, might not, I don't know. Stop. So you doing a lot already. But anyways, I'm finna let him cut out his because I already cut out mine. So here. So what you want to do is push down. Push down on it like this. Do that. See? Look. Big boy. Oh, boom, y'all. It wasn't, I don't know what's going on, but the camera has stopped. But anyways, they all cut out. One of them had got messed up. We had 5 apiece, but this 5 right here, and 4 like this one right here broke. But don't they look like graveyard? So cute, right? So now we just gonna decorate them. Come on, DJ, give me this so we can decorate the brownies. Hold on, let me fix the camera. Y'all don't have to see my face. Y'all can see him though. No, don't eat it. You need this. So you can do like this. Let me show you. It's probably gonna be, it's actually, I don't know. Should I warm this up? How I'm supposed to squeeze this out? It's hard as hell. Should I warm this up? I wonder what's gonna happen if I warm this up. I'm just warming it up for a little bit. This shit hot.
Hot.
Yeah, hot. So you just do. Oh, oh, I'm going messy. Wait, I think I won't put it in that thing. I just messed up your brownies, bro. Y'all, look how he decorated his. It was so this whole time we was decorating. Well, I didn't get to decorate mine, but I don't even know what he doing, but I'm just gonna throw the bones on there. I don't even feel like he eating the bones and stuff. He just doing anything. He just, I don't know. Need some more. Yeah. You taking all of them. You don't even have them on the brownie. You gotta put them on the brownie. That's how you decorate. We didn't get to put no phrases or nothing because I had the icing wasn't coming out. So I put it in the microwave, but clearly I put it in there for too long because now, like if y'all can see, mine don't look bad, but I let him decorate his and he got stuff everywhere. Like he got the little blood all over the place. Like for real.
Why?
Yay. That's enough. Here. Oh. Oh. You is so messy, bro. Okay. Now, you want to taste it?
No.
Yes, you do. Pick it up and taste it.
2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taste it. They not nasty. But I don't want these bones in there. I was just doing it for the Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos because I will be dropping more bangers. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And make sure y'all comment down below some video ideas I can do, and some more videos I can even do with him. Tell the people bye. Say bye. Say see y'all later.